नमस्ते, मेरा नाम विजय गुत्तीकर है। मैं 2 ढाई महीने पहले यहाँ पे ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आया था। अभी मेरा ठीक हो गया है और ये अस्पताल जो बीमारी है उसमें कोई डरने की बात नहीं है, अच्छी होती है। मैं भी नॉर्मल ज़िंदगी 12 साल से मेरे को ये बीमारी है, फिर भी मैं अच्छी नॉर्मल ज़िंदगी जी रहा हूँ। 12 साल के बाद में थोड़ी तकलीफ़ हुई तो मैं यहाँ पे आया, अभी ठीक हो गया हूँ। अभी 8-10 दिन में घर जाऊँगा। ये अस्पताल बहुत ही अच्छा है, जैसे हम लोग घर में रहते हैं, ये हमारा दूसरा घर है। यहाँ पे हर चीज़ मिलती है हम लोग को, कोई परेशानी नहीं है और अच्छी ट्रीटमेंट, सबसे अच्छी ट्रीटमेंट यहाँ पे होती है।
I am Sister Bertilla. I am coming from Europe, particularly from Italy, Milan. I belong to an institution of the Missionary Sisters of the Immaculate. That's why I have chosen this profession to be a nurse to work with the leprosy patients in India. Being a nurse, I would like to, from the beginning, I choose this profession in order to work with the patients, and particularly the leprosy patients. So I had this really wonderful chance that God had given to me to come to work in this hospital with the leprosy patients. So I do my service to them, and I see in them that they are for me a sign of inspiration because they are ready to accept their situation, though they are really very much affected for leprosy, which had made them, mostly of them, handicapped because of the disease. Our best for doing the survey, doing the controlling the people on the zone that it was allotted to us from the government. We had done a survey and we had detected many of the patients, treated them, and those they were in the very bad condition, we had taken them to the hospital and you treated them here.
Ours is an NGO, Bombay Leprosy Project, which has been working in the field of leprosy and leprosy relief work since last more than 3 decades. And now this is the 35th year of our services for leprosy relief work. And we have been now focusing on basically containing the morbidity of leprosy patients with the help of main referral center, which is here, where you are here today, and where we get patients referred from several places from the city of Mumbai and adjoining areas, as well as we have a field area which is in covering a population of about 2 million. Every day we get something like about 30 patients per day, every day here, which includes new patients, which include old patients and follow-up patients.
And you know Mahatma Gandhi's principle, mainly peace and non-violence. At the same time, he worked his life for leprosy. In this part of my social service to the society, yes, I had been with Gandhi's costumes, and really in the leprosy hospitals, I met the patients. I found the patients are very much love for the India and Gandhi.
During 1970s and 80s, India had a lot of leprosy cases in India, about 4 million cases out of 12 million in the world. India had decided to eliminate leprosy by the year 2000 AD. And the government of India requested many people to come forward. And we came forward, established a charitable foundation named Indian Leprosy Foundation. Our major contribution has been to give a strategic management plan involving communications to eliminate leprosy. The government of India and we had negotiations, discussions. They said we should rename the whole thing, diversify Indian Leprosy Foundation to Indian Development Foundation, taking a few more diseases like tuberculosis, blindness, HIV/AIDS, TB, and also education for the poor children in this country.
These children, most of them are coming from such family that one thing they have a set of ideas that they are poor, they won't be able to do things what others are doing, and only they have to listen to others and do accordingly. So little bit moral boost should be raised, then only they will be able to think themselves and study.
मेरा नाम अंबिका है और मैं 12th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं कभी कभी डांस भी अच्छे से कर लेती हूँ और मुझे आगे 12th पास होकर मुझे नर्सिंग कोर्स करना है और नर्सिंग बनना है और गरीब लोग की हेल्प करनी है।
You have been visiting the projects like Vimala Dermatological Center, Bombay Leprosy Project, and similar to this, there are nearly 100 projects to which Indian Development Foundation has been associated with. A couple of patients also got married and they are settled well. They are leading a wonderful life, in fact, joining families and making them live in the common environment.
मैं 5 साल से यहाँ पे रहती थी। सिस्टर लोग ने देखभाल किया, फिर अच्छी हो गई। इलाज होने के बाद में सिस्टर लोग ने शादी करके मेरे को घर लेके दिया। मेरे हस्बैंड भी इधर ही रहता था, सिस्टर ने ही देखभाल किया। अभी मैं बहुत खुश हूँ मेरे हस्बैंड के साथ।
And making them live in the common environment is what is the aim. In fact, they should be living with the environment, and everyone should feel that they are one among us, and that the feeling of oneness is being created by various centers in India.